Hello everyone. Today I will play a Marvel character, the god of thunder Thor love sculpture. Just kidding, I will carve a wooden statue of Samantabhadra Bodhisattva. Remember to watch the entire video. When I put myself through the process of carving the wooden statue of Samantabhadra Bodhisattva, each stage of the work gave me intense emotions. From hitting with the woodworker to selecting the stump, every stroke is a connection to the soul of the wood, a promise to transform it into a living work of art. After completing the typing process, I moved on to drawing figurative lines with chalk. This is the stage when I most clearly feel the inner beauty of the statue, when I delicately place the drawing, inspired by the shape and spirituality of the Bodhisattva. Carving with a saw is the biggest challenge, requiring absolute sophistication and precision. I adjusted every smallest saw to accurately reproduce every detail on the statue, from the curving ow die to the lines on the face. Every saw is a challenge and also an opportunity for me to express the quintessence of sculpting art. The wooden statue of Samantabhadra Bodhisattva is the result of a blend of tradition and modernity. Each cut and each engraving is meticulously and realistically sculpted as if recreating spiritual moments. In human life, the Bodhisattva's face is sculpted with tranquility and peace, each line expressing the sophistication of the A. With high expertise, artisans not only highlight physical beauty but also convey the soul and heart of handicraft art. Every detail on the wooden statue, such as the flowing ow die, the wavy bridge of the Bodhisattva's skirt, or small details such as soft silk strips, each detail is perfected with the enthusiasm and skill of the artisans. With the wood statue of Samantabhadra Bodhisattva, the art of craftsmanship is not simply a profession but also a way to express spirit, spirituality, and faith. Crafted by talented hands, this wooden statue has become a symbol of creativity and the quintessence of Vietnamese art, pleasing the eyes and touching the hearts of people with its elegance and sophistication. Handmade art. The wooden statue of Samantabhadra Bodhisattva is not just a work, but the presence of the soul and imagination of each artist. This is an emotional sculpting journey, where every line, every saw is a part of my heart and soul.